Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn SQL completely from ChatGPT. Right now, I'm working on how to join tables, and I was having some struggles with my syntax and just not really knowing how to do it correctly. So it corrected my code, and I'm actually going to read the explanation to really understand why we're using student name here, and I understand why we compare the student's course ID with the course's course ID because we want to join the tables based off a common column, but I'm not completely sure about the select, so I'll read it. So, use the correct tables name, students, and courses and column names in your select statements. So, I think maybe the purpose of that is to simply figure out which columns I want to store. In this case, I want to store the student name, the course name, and then finally the course ID, which is shared amongst the two tables. Also, apparently this insert into I'm totally screwing up. Well, I need a comma here. Hopefully that'll fix some stuff. Do I need semicolons? I guess I do need semicolons. I never knew that. Huh. We're getting this error that says students already exists. Oh, it's because I already created this table a long time ago. So let's actually get rid of this. Oh my god, I hate SQL. I think I just hate this IDE in general. It's just so hard to figure out what's going on and where the errors are coming from. Okay, let's try this. So in line 6 we have a syntax error. And why is it not all capitalized here? I'm so confused. I'm not even sure if it has to be all uppercase. I should probably look that up. Why do I have a syntax error on line 6? I really do not understand. Wait, why is there just students right there? And apparently we have no such column student.name on line 21. And what the heck? I literally said the name right there. It's students.name. I'm stupid. It's like SQL just not case sensitive. And yeah, we have Bob with computer science basics. That took so long. Oh my god. I'm just gonna have to ask about some syntax stuff afterwards. Oh, I also accidentally made this a variable character, whatever. It literally did not matter in the end. I have some questions about SQL syntax. 1. Is SQL case sensitive? So in general, stuff is simply not case sensitive. Unless you put in double quotes, which is saying it's sensitive. And that's, I guess, why we have single quotes and double quotes, because single quotes can be used for strings, and double quotes is used for an indicator. And the reason why we have indicator is because SQL is normally not case sensitive. Also, do you need semicolons? So like in some environments you do need semicolons and some you don't. Dang, I really did not know SQL sucked that much. Okay, I'm ready to move on. So now we're going to learn about SQL aggregation, which allows us to perform calculations on a set of values to return a single result. Common aggregation functions include count, sum, average, minimum, and maximum. So we can alter table. We can add a new column by saying alter table students add age integer. I actually do have a question about this part, because do we have to alter the table right away? And what if we alter something it's not null? How do we do that? I'll have to ask later, I guess. Okay, we have count to count how many students, average to get the average based off a certain column, We can also, because why not? So like basically group all the students by their course ID and then see our average age. So I guess I'm gonna do that. So we're just gonna say alter, and now I'm gonna comment this out so we can do some other fun stuff. So first I want to do count. Select count from students. I knew it was probably how to select. I just didn't know completely for sure. Could I also do something like select count from students where, and then like say age equals 30? Would that work? How do we have a syntax error in 6 again? Wait, no, wait. Alter table students. And why did it say 3 values for 2 columns, except I thought I added a column? Oh, I'm stupid. I have to edit it here. Oh, and we actually did the weird where syntax that I was guessing would work, but really didn't think would work, actually turned out to be working. At least I've been able to fix my bugs just by looking at the error messages, not just spamming ChatGPT with my code and asking what's wrong. And then I could also do like select min. Nope, wrong number of arguments. Oh. Minimum age, maximum age from students. I got this, right? Hey! And I can also group by. So I guess it's kind of logical. So you select course ID average from the students, and afterwards, instead of saying something like where, I can say group by course ID. So yeah, that works. They have the same course ID. And their average age would be 25. Yeah, things are going by pretty well. I'm kind of getting the handle of the syntax. I am thanking this compiler for being better than my other online IDE that I feel like gave me no information and made it impossible for me for some reason to view my outputs. So that was definitely a lot more helpful. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you subscribe. Like always, bye-bye.